Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Welcome back to StoryStep English.
Happy V-Day! Why do you have that big old book, Blaze?
I am curious, Jenny. Who is Valentine? Was he a movie star?
No! He was a real person, Saint Valentine.
A saint? So is it a religious day?
Long ago, yes. The legend says he was a Roman priest in the 3rd century.
A priest in Rome? Interesting. But why is he famous for love?
Well, at that time, Emperor Claudius II was a cruel man.
Cruel? How?
The emperor forbade soldiers to marry. He believed single men made better soldiers. He wanted them to fight, not to love.
That is terrible. No love, only war?
Exactly. But Saint Valentine didn't listen. He performed secret marriages for young lovers.
Wow, so he broke the law for love? He was a hero of love.
Yes, but sadly, he was caught and put in jail.
Oh no, did the story end in jail?
Not yet. This is the romantic part. Legend says, while in jail, Valentine fell in love with a young woman.
In jail? Who was she?
She was the jailer's daughter. She visited him often.
Like a movie. A prisoner and the guard's daughter?
Yes, but eventually Valentine was sentenced to death on February 14th.
That is so sad. So he died for love?
Yes, but before he died, he wrote her a letter.
A love letter? What did it say?
He signed the letter with 3 famous words.
Let me guess. I love you?
Close. He wrote, "From your Valentine."
From your Valentine. We still write that on cards today.
Exactly. That is why we celebrate him. He reminds us that love is worth fighting for.
Wow. I thought today was just about chocolate, but the history is actually quite deep.
And tragic, but beautiful.
Okay, I respect Saint Valentine now. He was a brave man. I see. So today we celebrate by buying expensive things.
Blaze, it is not about money. It is about symbols.
Like that baby with a bow and arrow? Who is he?
That is Cupid. In Roman mythology, he's the son of Venus, the goddess of love.
A goddess's son? Why is he flying around in a diaper?
He represents desire. Legend says if his arrow hits you, zap, you fall in love instantly.
Scary. I don't want a flying baby shooting arrows at me. Is it painful?
Only painful for your heart. Now, let's talk about gifts. What is the classic gift?
Easy. Roses. But they must be red roses.
Correct. Do you know why?
Because red is a cool color?
No, because in the language of flowers, red means deep passion and true love.
Ah, I see. What if I buy yellow roses? They are cheaper.
No, don't do that.
Why?
Yellow means friendship. If you give yellow roses to your girlfriend, she might think you want to break up.
Whoa, dangerous. Okay, note to self, no yellow roses.
Good. Now the best part. Chocolate.
Yes. Why is chocolate romantic? Is it just because it's sweet?
It's science, Blaze. Chocolate has chemicals that make your brain feel good.
Like magic?
Kind of. It releases endorphins. It makes you feel happy and excited, just like falling in love.
So if I am lonely, I can just eat chocolate?
Exactly. It is the edible love. Even Casanova, the famous lover, ate chocolate before his dates.
Really? If it worked for Casanova, it works for me.
But don't eat too much.
Too late. I can eat 10 boxes right now. Pass me that box, Jenny.
Stop eating, Blaze. Valentine's Day is not just about sugar. It is about actions.
Actions? Like fighting in a war?
No, like spending quality time together.
Okay, so if I have a girlfriend, I wish, what should we do?
The classic activity is a candlelight dinner.
Oh no. Fancy restaurants are expensive on Valentine's Day. The prices go up like a rocket.
True, but you don't need a restaurant. You can cook at home.
Cook? Me?
Yes, cooking a meal for someone is very romantic. It shows effort.
I can make instant noodles with an egg in the shape of a heart. Is that romantic?
Well, it's creative, but maybe try pasta or steak.
Okay, steak. But what about the atmosphere?
Good point. You need to set the mood.
Set the mood, like turn off the lights and scare her?
No. Ugh, face palms. Dim the lights, play soft jazz music, maybe some flowers on the table.
Ah, smooth jazz. Got it. What else besides eating?
A movie date is popular. Watching a romantic comedy together.
Can we watch an action movie or zombies?
Ideally, you watch something romantic, like The Notebook or Titanic.
Titanic? But the ship sinks. That is bad luck for a relationship.
It's about eternal love, Blaze. Now, besides activities, you need a card.
A Valentine card? What do I write? Happy V-Day?
Too boring. You should write something sweet.
How about a poem? Roses are red, violets are blue. I like pizza and I like you.
Dad is terrible. Please don't write that.
Okay. What should I write?
Try, Will you be my Valentine? Or You make my world brighter.
You make my world brighter. Wow, that sounds like a song.
And for some couples, today is a very big day.
Big? How big?
Many people choose today to propose.
Propose? You mean ask to marry?
Yes, getting down on one knee, presenting a diamond ring.
Whoa, that is serious pressure.
Some people even hide the ring inside a cake or a glass of champagne.
What? That is dangerous. What if she swallows the ring?
You have to be careful. It's a classic surprise.
Wow, I'm sweating just thinking about it. Choking on a diamond.
Don't worry, Blaze. You are not there yet. You can start with Noodles first.
Good idea. Noodles first, diamond ring later, much later. That sounds nice for couples. Romantic dinners, diamonds, Titanic. But Jeny, what about us?
Us.
The single people, the Lonely Hearts Club. Walking in the mall today is torture. Everyone is holding hands.
It can be annoying, I know.
I feel like a third wheel everywhere I go.
A third wheel? You mean an extra person?
Yes, couples are in their own world and I am just standing there, alone, invisible.
Blaze, listen to me. Being single on Valentine's Day is not bad.
Really? It feels lonely and cold.
It is a day of love, not just boyfriend-girlfriend love. You can love your family, you can love your friends.
Ah, like Galentine's Day.
Yes, that is usually on February 13th. It is for celebrating with your best friends.
So I can have a party with my single friends? A no couples allowed party?
Exactly. Video games, pizza, loud music.
That sounds fun. But what if my friends are busy?
Then practice self-love.
Self-love? You mean talking to myself in the mirror?
No, I mean treating yourself. Like the song says, I can buy myself flowers.
Oh, Miley Cyrus. I can hold my own hand.
Yes, you don't need someone else to buy you gifts.
So I can buy that expensive Lego set I wanted?
Yes, wrap it up and give it to yourself. To Blaze, from Blaze.
And the best part, I don't have to share my chocolate.
Correct. Freedom. No arguments over which movie to watch. No fighting over food.
You are right. Being single is actually powerful. I save money and I eat more.
See, single is not sad. Single is smart.
Okay, I will order a large pizza just for me tonight. That is true romance.
Sounds delicious. Enjoy your freedom, Blaze.
Thank you, Jeny. And to all our single listeners, you are awesome.
Whether you're single or taken, happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Spread the love. See you next time. Bye-bye.